Mango shrimp. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, half large red onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 2 tablespoons sweet Thai chili sauce, half teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 pound large raw, deveined shrimp with tails removed, 1 mango, chopped, unsweetened shredded coconut for garnish, chopped green onions for garnish, lime for garnish. Directions: heat coconut oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once melted, add red onion and saute for 5-7 minutes until softened. Add garlic, soy sauce, lime juice, Thai chili sauce, red pepper and shrimp to the skillet and toss to combine. Cook for 3-5 minutes until shrimp are pink and cooked. Add the mango, stir to incorporate and warm through. Plate the shrimp and garnish with coconut, green onions and a squeeze of lime. Serve with rice.